Yo boys, so this is the trade we took today. We'll go through the TA for gold first, of course. But SPX trade, 5 RR, nothing crazy. So basically, for gold, of course we're still bullish, even though it looks like it's finding a top, honestly. It's like wicking out. But bias is still the same. So we had 4 hour still making higher lows, so higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. You'll know it. And I was basically looking for a liquidity sweep or something of that nature. So 1 hour we had a liquidity sweep of boom, boom, boom. These kind of equal lows here. So boom, liquidity sweep, expansion, move up, creating a 1 hour order block here. So that was my bias for that. So we had a 1 hour order block here, and I was basically looking for a reaction off of that. So 50-minute, we came in here and we had an expansion and move up, and I was basically looking for a fill of this for value gap, which we never got, so I didn't take this trade. So boom, as you can see, market open, we swept liquidity. So I was just like, nah, I'm not trading this no more. But that was basically the trade. And then for SPX, again, we're still bearish daily, still making lower lows. Boom. And then lower time frame, we had this little consolidation range here. And I was really hoping for the power of 3 to play out, but it really just didn't. It looks like it will play out to the upside. We'll see though. So again, consolidation, maybe manipulation up here, targeting, sweeping these highs, maybe coming into this 4 hour for value gap a little bit more, and then the expansion move down. But that didn't happen, so I'm not really too mad about it. But yeah, so that didn't happen. And in lower time frame, we had an internal liquidity up here. So boom, internal liquidity, they got swept. We also had external that has not gotten swept. But again, internal liquidity got swept. And then I was just looking for a move out of there. And we had this 15-minute break right here of this fair value gap, this tiny fair value gap. And that was enough confluence for me. And I was basically just looking for an entry on lower time frame. So we had boom, 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 push into this order block, to this 1 minute order block. Oh no, 5-minute order block, I'm sorry. So 5-minute order block right here. So liquidity sweep, expansion move down, order block right here. And then I scaled in lower time frame to look for an entry. And then I was looking for expansion move down. So we had this. And then I entered at the closure of this candle. But of course, with spread and everything, I got filled right here. And then of course I had my stop just at the break of the 5-minute order block. And yeah, so pretty much right there. I don't really have like a hard stop, but somewhere around that area. And then our first TP was just internal liquidity. So liquidity right here. And then second TP was equilibrium from high to low, boom. And then final TP was external liquidity down here, which got hit. And then we had a final TP somewhere. It's on my broker. I'm not sure what it is. It was like somewhere down here. I could probably check it, but I'm not too sure. Somewhere down there. But yeah, I mean, that was basically the trade. Pretty simple trade. Again, just like I said, like yesterday's video or the day before that. I mean, just follow the trend. I mean, of course, on a downtrend, just look for a liquidity sweep and then just the entry off of that. But yeah, I'm pretty keen on trading tomorrow. It's not really any news. There's just unemployment claims. But we're up pretty fat on our challenge. I think we're up almost 7%. So pretty much if we hit one good trade, if we hit a good trade tomorrow or Friday, whenever we hit another good trade, we should be done with our challenge, which would be super nice. And I could If we somehow pass the challenge tomorrow, I probably won't trade Friday with with the actual account. Oh, actually, we might. We'll see. But yeah, I mean, pretty good trade. Up pretty good, and yeah, I mean, peace.